Today we're focusing on affirmations for a powerful week. Be sure to like and subscribe, and make sure you stay to the end for our motivational quote. I am ready. I will have a great day today. I start the week strong. People admire my energy. Every day I build momentum. Today I crush my goals. I am powerful. I love fresh starts. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.